What is up, guys? I just got off work. I'm going to work on the Z a little bit for about an hour before I go to the gun store and work. If you guys don't know, my parents own a gun store. This is a little, but yeah, let's go work on the Z a little bit. So today we're gonna be putting the diff brace on. This bad boy is gonna go bolt to this bolt, that bolt, and it's gonna go through that hole. Now, this is for a 350Z and a G35. Some G35s do not come with this subframe hole, so you will have to bolt this up and drill it out. And if you have a good set of drill bits, it shouldn't be too bad. So, let's get to installing. So first things first is we're gonna get a 14mm and we're gonna zap these bad boys off. You're gonna get your diff brace. This is a PLM diff brace, by the way, if you guys were wondering. I think this one runs about 99 bucks even. You're just gonna screw these two bolts in that you just took out. Got some RTV in my one hole, so it's a little stiff. And I think these bolts are actually bigger now, so they might be a 15. Maybe bigger, who knows? They're now 17. They are bigger. Now you just want to get them loose, snug on there. This one is not lining up perfectly, but we'll make do. Okay, so what I actually had to do was undo these two bolts first. Actually, you don't put those in first. My mistake. You get the spacer, you get this bolt onto here, then you put the spacer on, and then you shove that through there and put your washer and lock washer or lock nut on there. Then you can put these two in there, and then we can tighten everything down. And I'm gonna need a wrench. And that's bigger, probably 19. It's 19. How's it going? And there you go. You officially will have a diff brace on your car. It's pretty solid. Probably need to suck these bolts in a tad more, but that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for some more. Next video, we got to pull the transmission out of the 350Z, so stay tuned for that. Peace, like, comment, and subscribe, and See you next time.